Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aine. On this channel I share useful cake tutorials, cake tips, and basically every useful information I have around the baking industry. So if you're a baker, an upcoming baker, or you just love to watch cake videos, please don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, because that means you'll be one of the first people to get my videos when they drop. So guys, today I'll be showing you how I make my silky buttercream recipe. Guys, this is a very stable recipe. You don't have to worry about it melting on you. Moderate in terms of the sweetness, it isn't overly sweet. The best part is that this only requires 3 major ingredients. So let's get started. So guys, we're going to be using table salt, flavoring. You can use vanilla or any flavor you have, unsalted butter, 80% fat, a spatula, icing sugar in a bowl already sifted, and pasteurized egg whites. Guys, these egg whites have been pasteurized and I did it by myself, but if you don't want to go through the hassle, you can always buy already pasteurized egg whites. Okay, so we're going to pour our egg whites right into our icing sugar. Make sure you scrape the sides of your bowl to make sure every single drop of your ingredient goes right into the mixture. Okay, after doing this, we're going to mix it with our mixer. So guys, at this point you want to mix this mixture until it is properly combined. You want to make sure that the egg white has mixed in very well with the icing sugar, giving you something that looks like real icing. After we have achieved the desired results, we can add in our vanilla flavor or any flavor that you wish to use, a pinch of salt for this particular recipe, and then you continue mixing until the ingredients have properly been combined. So guys, at this point we're going to go in with our softened butter. Make sure your butter has at least 80% fat content. Okay, the high fat content will help your buttercream be very stable and not melt on you easily. So you want to make sure it's softened, meaning that it isn't frozen or firm or stiff. Okay, you want it to easily melt when you pour it right into the mixture. Of course, you don't want it melted and dripping. You want it to be soft when you touch it, just like this. So guys, I would recommend you use a stand mixer when doing this. I had to use a hand mixer, but if you have a stand mixer, it is even much better. Okay, you want to put in your butter little by little and keep mixing in between each additions. Guys, continue mixing this until you have reached that desired stiffness that you're going for. Guys, this procedure took me about 10 to 20 minutes in total. This recipe is not very complicated at all. It doesn't take so much time and the result is fantastic.
I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
So guys, look how fast and easy that was. My buttercream is absolutely ready, and you can already see how stable and stiff. I promise you this buttercream is not going to melt on you, provided you do not put it in the sun or in a hot room. Okay, so guys, you can preserve this in the fridge for up to a week and in the freezer for up to a month, and then when you want to use it, you bring it out to thaw on your countertop before mixing it up again with your mixer and then going right into using it. It is very simple. It isn't overly sweet like I mentioned before, guys. It's very stable. It gives this Swiss French buttercream meringue kind of vibe, but without the hassle and without the stress. So make sure you try this recipe, guys. I promise you would love it. Guys, do not forget to check out all my other videos I have on my channel. I have useful tutorials that you would find very helpful. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you found this very helpful, like my videos, and turn on the notification bell, because that means you will be one of the first people to get my videos when they drop. Until my next video, guys. Bye.
So outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.